city water and city sewer assessments are in and paid. Lovingly maintained 3-bedroom 2-bathroom 2-car garage golf access pool home in the Highly Desired Yacht Club area of Southeast Cape Coral with quick access and no bridges to open water and the Gulf of Mexico. Lot size over 14,000 square feet. Furnishings are negotiable. AC replaced in 2015. Tile roof. Backyard paradise with mature landscaping in Tiki hut on the dock with a 7,000 pounds boat lift. Master bedroom and living room both have pocket sliding glass doors to pool area. Refrigerator, microwave, and stove replaced in January 2017. Relax by the pool or dock area and enjoy the beautiful Florida sun. There is plenty of space. Bahama shutters on the windows. The entire property has a tropical feel and the inside of the home invites lots of natural light. This property would be great as a primary residence, second home, vacation home, or as an investment. Close to the Cape Coral Yacht Club, Tarpon Point, and Cape Harbour. Easy access for boating, biking, walking, beaches, golfing, airports, shopping, restaurants, parks, boat ramps, and much more. Submit your offer today.